What are their current feelings towards you? Right, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups at the bottom. This is somebody, either a new relationship or someone who wants a new connection with you. The Six of Swords. This is somebody who is currently with somebody else. Okay, this is the Six of Cups, soulmate energy. So this is somebody, when they look at you, you remind them of kind of a love that they once knew, okay? They feel that in order to be with you, and they do want to be with you, they have to leave a current connection that they are in, okay? Maybe. The Lovers and the Ten of Pentacles. Oh my God, that just changed everything. Wow. 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 Like, geez, Louise. Oh my God. This person doesn't just want to be with you, hun. This person wants to marry you. This person is seeing you as their happy ever after. But this person is in an unfulfilled relationship right now. I'm not giving you advice on what to do. I'm telling you this situation. If this resonates, then this reading is for you. It's not going to be for everybody. This person is currently, the Karma card there. This person is currently in this connection. Ten of Cups at the bottom. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. Wow. Wow. They really want to be with you, hon. Wow. Okay. This person is with somebody, and I feel like they've been with them for a while. They don't necessarily want to be in that connection anymore. It's not a bad thing. I don't feel like they want an affair with you. I think that's crossed their mind. But they are genuinely thinking about past the affair. Like, they're thinking about the happy ever after. There is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 cards, and 2 of them are these. And these are just the best cards to get. This person definitely is wanting to leave where they are to be with you, but to marry you. This could be blended families as well, like they're aware of that. This could be you going into business together. This person basically feels that going on with you and having the relationship with you, not only are they going to be happy in an emotional sense, they're just not happy where they are. They're trying to be happy and they're putting on a brave face that they're happy, but they're not. But this is also financially, it actually makes a lot more business sense, financial sense to be with you. So it could just be that you are two people that are very, very alike in your business sense or your business acumen. Now, this isn't an ex, but it is somebody you could have spoke to, could have dealt with, or it could be completely new, like you haven't had that relationship yet. It does feel like this, like you haven't been together before is what I'm saying. Together. So this is somebody who you will be together with. They want this new beginning with you. They want to pour into your love cup. And you make them kind of, there's something about the energy where you make them, oh my God, and as you say that, the sun comes out. And the Two of Pentacles reversed, they've decided, right, okay, I'm very excited about this reading. You to them, you give them sun. You make them feel like warm. You make them feel full of energy. You make them feel alive. You have reignited their own passions for themselves and their life. And they kind of was in two minds. So this person, you could have gone back and forth in this connection with this person. They could have been like making you feel like they like you and then ghosting you, and then making you feel like they like you and then ghosting you. But actually what's happened is that stopped. They have decided what they want. But I do feel like now they're strategizing. The Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. This is soulmate energy. They love you. They do. They love you and they want to be with you, and that's it. There is nothing else to say about it. They try and distract themselves with work to keep their mind off you, but they can't. I feel like right now, this is coming in quick as well, the Eight of Wands. I feel like right now they are progressing to be with you, but they're trying to strategize how. There's something about them strategizing how to be with you. They want to do things in the right way. They're figuring it out. Let them know you like them. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know that this is, you know, that they're not kind of taking a huge risk on you. Let them know. Wow. Ooh. I just closed off that reading and then I realised, and this is important in tarot, synchronicities like this. You had 2 10s, 2 8s, 2 6s, 2 2s, and 2 aces. What are all those? Pairs. Your angel guides will speak to you through synchronicities, and numbers is one of them. And in tarot, we don't just look at the single cards, we look at it afterwards. What does it say? So you've got 2 aces, you've got 2 2s, you've got 2 6s, 2 8s, and 2 10s. 2, couple, you, them. Happy ever after.